Page 31, Part 1. Then he went back to the old people and began to talk again. دوباره رفت پیش اون خانم آقای مسن و شروع کرد صحبت کردن. There is one more thing, he said. There is one more thing. یه چیز دیگه هم هست. Your son worked for Ma and Megan's for 6 years. 6 سال پسر شما برای کارخونه ما and Megan's کار کرد. And he was a good worker. و کارگر خوبی بود. He was a good worker. Now Ma and Megan's want to help you at this unhappy time. و حالا ما و مگین میخواد در این روز سخت، در این ایام سخت به شما کمک کنه. In this unhappy time. Again the stranger stopped. غریبه دوباره مکسی کرد. After a minute he began again. و بعد از چند دقیقه، بعد از 1 دقیقه دوباره شروع کرد. Ma and Megan's want to give you some money. میخواد بهتون یه مبلغی پرداخت کنه. Then he put something into Mr. White's hand. و بعد یک چیزی رو در دست آقای وایت گذاشت. Old Mr. White didn't look at the money in his hand. He didn't look. Slowly, به آرامی, he stood up and looked at the stranger. آرامی بلند شد و looked at the stranger. Afraid. با ترس. How much? Mr. White asked. چقدر؟ چند تومنه؟ Very quietly. با صدای خیلی آروم پرسید چقدره؟ He did not want to hear the answer. نمیخواست جوابو بشنوه. He did not want to hear the answer. 30,000 pounds. The stranger said. 30,000 پوند. چیزی بود که اون stranger غریبه گفت. ادامه در ویدیو بعد. Subscribe, follow and share and tell about us to your friends. Ring the bell for new episodes. Bye bye.